Ready, set, go. Stand. Alright. Mati ka. Very good. Nice one. Good job. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yay! Clap your hands. You're trying to wake up Daddy? Ba't nandiyan yung kamay mo sa tabi ni Daddy na? Ha? Kising-kising na? Today is Saturday. Tulog ka tayo. Maaga po wala tayo pasok. Ha? It's our rest day. Wala tayo work, baby. Sleep muna tayo. It's too early. We don't want to sleep. Sleep pa si Daddy. Want to sleep pa kasi rest day today. No rest day for you na. It's playtime na. Punta lang tayo sa balcony. Magpaarap tayo. Ayun po. May sun ng konti. Tara, let's go. Gusto mo talaga kasama si Daddy. Gisingin na din. Pero Daddy is still sleeping. Hindi pa pwede gisingin. Ayun na lang. Uutot ka pa talaga kay Daddy. Sarap ng utot mo. Ang ganda na pwesto mo sa pagtutot pa. Kay Daddy, stay mo ba si Daddy? Okay, hold my hand. Elon, hold my hand. Alright. Ready, set, go. Stand. Alright. Mati ka. Very good. Nice one. Good job. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Oh, I can't clap your hands pala. Oh, okay. Yay! Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yay! Good job. Clap your hands. Okay, hold my hand. Get up tayo ha. Ready, set, go. Uy, mati ka eh. Oh, sit mo in. Oh, again. Oh, very good ay. Oh, sit down again. Very good. Pakitang oh. Oy, wag. Hug kay mommy. Oy, sweet naman ang baby namin.
Ang ginagawa kasi pagkatayo niya,
Hug. Oh, sweet naman ang baby namin. Oh, sweet. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. You want to sit down? Okay. Lay down. Oh, very good. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Good job. Very good. One more time pa. Okay, ready, set, go. Ah! Uy, galing ang aga. Uy! I love you. Very good. Good job. Uy, good job. Ah, hold hands. Oh, yakap ulit. Uy! Laki na. Uy! Ano ba gusto mo? Say, Daddy, I did it again.